Thanks for joining me in this video today. I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site platform to build a website for your Lebanese restaurants. If you've just randomly come across this video today, you aren't familiar with the multi-site service yet. Multi-site is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. So once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do after you've registered an account is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, Lebanese restaurant. Let's go ahead and do that. Awesome. Let's go ahead and select that template. I'm now going to go ahead and tell multi-sites a few basic details about my restaurant so I can generate a simple website for my business. Awesome. Let's go ahead and put in our city and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your restaurant is located, you can enjoy the multi site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. I'm now going to leave the type of business as restaurant, click on continue, and let multi sites work its magic and create a simple website for me. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi sites is we pre selected all the images for you. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free to use. And we've also pre written all the content as well as a guideline, of course. However, I'm sure you want to showcase your own images on your website of all the amazing Lebanese food you're serving up. Maybe make one or two changes to that content. You can do that. It's super simple. So, today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be making my way through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how simple it is to use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my website, so I'm going to tick the box to display it on my website. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in my phone number as well as my physical location, my street address. Awesome. The great thing about that physical location, that street address, when you click on it on the top left hand corner, it will automatically give you directions to your restaurant. Let's head on over to update social links. Over here, we can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top of your multi-site's website as well as the bottom, so customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, see what your business is up to. I'm now going to go ahead and upload my logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of free, great options on the website. Logo's been uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and tick this little pencil and go ahead and slightly crop my logo so it fits a bit better into the section. You do have the option to add filters, decorate, frames, rotate, zoom in where need be. Let's go ahead and re-upload the newly cropped image. There we go. Now we can make it bigger and smaller once it's been uploaded. So I'm going to go ahead and make it slightly smaller. That fits absolutely perfectly. Let's move along. We're making such fantastic progress. Now with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your Lebanese restaurants. You don't need to know color coding to change the colors. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. So I think I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Let me look at one or two more options. That's also really great. But I think I'm going to go back to that original one. Awesome. Save it. I can change it at a later stage. Let's head on over to update section and update our image for the next section. Over here, you can browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Multi-sites will automatically search for Lebanese restaurant, but you can play around with the words, the keywords a little bit that you're searching for. You could just search for Lebanese food, but this image is pretty suitable, so I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Awesome. Let's go ahead and save that. That looks fantastic. Let's head on over to update content. Now, over here, you can change the title, subtitle to suit your business needs. Button currently says order online. Maybe you don't offer online ordering system. Let's just put it as view our menu. Awesome. Let's go ahead and click on choose link. Over here, you can link to another website. Maybe if you do offer an online ordering system third party, you can link to an action like click to core directions or click to email. But for this one, I'm going to upload a PDF file of my menu so my customers can check it out before they come to my restaurants. I know I'm not the only person that pre-looks at menus before I visit restaurants and pre-selects what I'm going to eat. So this is for you people. Let's go ahead and click on save and move on. Now over here, click on update section. You can put in the various trading hours of your business that you open to display that on your website so customers know when you're open or not. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your restaurant came to be, how long you've been running a Lebanese restaurant for. Maybe it's a family run business passed down from generation to generation. What kind of meals are you serving up? Who runs the show? Go ahead and put all the details under that section. Awesome. Over here, if you need to make any last changes to that location or the social links, go ahead and click on that section over there. Now, if you have a custom domain for your Lebanese restaurant, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available on our channel, by the way. If you don't have a domain yet for your business, maybe you recently launched it, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. With a professional looking website comes a custom domain, so it's super important for your credibility to look more professional. I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your Lebanese restaurant. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future, maybe some questions or concerns, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback and assist you. Don't forget the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Now, the great thing about the Multi Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go.